DanList Classic is a completely new through-feed boring machine which has been constructed especially for drilling the legs for chairs, beds, tables, etc. What is unique with the DanList Classic is that the machine can drill from 5 different sides in one operation. This means that the legs can be finished in only one operation without having to be drilled and handled again. DanList Classic is delivered with a loading magazine. However, Classic is equipped to take pieces of wood directly from another machine. For instance, molding machine and double-ended tenor machine, if you should decide this at a later stage. Stacking of the finished pieces can also be added. DanList Classic is delivered with the exact number of boring units required, and similar to all other DanList boring machines, the boring units and drilling blocks are made at the DanList factory to ensure the best quality possible. The position of each boring unit is shown by a battery-controlled digital display. At a later stage, there is the possibility of adding an extra boring unit if the PLC controller has been prepared for it. The step cleaning function is controlled in the same way as the BA range, which means you control this via the PLC. The capacity on the DanList Classic is as always determined individually, but will typically be between 10 and 15 pieces a minute. As an extra safety precaution, we can mention that the DanList Classic can be delivered with a safety light. However, it is very important to point out that even without this light, the DanList Classic, as well as the other machines made by DanList, still meet all the Danish and European safety regulations.